So, you want to invest with Nutmeg, huh? That's a smart move. But here's a burning question. On what days of the week does Nutmeg actually invest your money? I know, it sounds like a nitpicky detail. But trust me, understanding this can be a game changer for your investment journey. Because let's face it, you want your money working hard, right? Not sitting idle, waiting for its turn. Now, you might be thinking, isn't investing a continuous process? Doesn't money magically grow all the time? Well, not exactly. There's a system to it, a rhythm. And that rhythm, for Nutmeg, has a specific beat. Imagine your money is a surfer. You want that wave to catch it at the perfect moment, right? That's kind of how investing works. Timing matters. So, does Nutmeg time it right? Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about how investing generally works. When you invest, you're essentially buying a piece of a company. And like any market, the stock market has its ups and downs. Prices fluctuate based on a myriad of factors: company performance, economic indicators, global events, you name it. So, investment platforms like Nutmeg aim to capitalize on these fluctuations. They buy when prices are low, hopefully, and sell when they're high, again, hopefully. But when exactly do they do this? That's where our question comes in. Now, I've done some digging. And while Nutmeg doesn't explicitly state their exact investment days, we can make some educated guesses based on how the financial world operates. Typically, most financial markets are open from Monday to Friday. This means stock prices fluctuate during these days. So, it's reasonable to assume that investment platforms, including Nutmeg, would capitalize on this activity. However, it's crucial to remember that Nutmeg uses automated systems. These systems are designed to make investment decisions based on predefined parameters. So, while the stock market might be open 5 days a week, Nutmeg's system could be set to make adjustments more frequently. But here's the thing, even with automated systems, there are still human elements involved. Market analysts, risk managers, they all play a role in shaping the investment strategy. So, while the system might be running 24/7, the human element could introduce variations in decision-making times. Another factor to consider is the type of investments you're in. Stocks are traded daily, but bonds, for example, might have different trading frequencies. This could influence when Nutmeg makes adjustments to your portfolio. So, to sum it up, while we can't give you a definitive answer on Nutmeg's exact investment days, it's safe to assume they are active during the regular market hours, Monday to Friday. But remember, the beauty of automated investing is that your money is constantly monitored, and adjustments can be made whenever necessary. Now, this isn't financial advice. I'm not telling you when to invest or how much. This is just information to help you understand how investment platforms work. The most important thing is to choose an investment platform that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. And of course, do your own research. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money.